Greek fire wasn't just a flamethrower, it was a medieval superweapon with a delivery system so advanced, historians still can't fully replicate it. In 678 AD, Byzantine ships used pressurized siphons to spray liquid fire at Arab fleets, and the key was pressure. Siphon calculations suggest they could launch Greek fire roughly 30 to 50 feet, maybe double that with a strong wind. That's about half the range of a medieval trebuchet, which could hurl 300-pound stones over 300 feet. But here's the twist, trebuchets needed huge crews and minutes to reload. A Byzantine siphon could fire continuously, turning the sea into an inferno in seconds. The real mystery isn't the fire itself, it's the pressure system. Historians estimate the Byzantines used hand pumps or bellows to maintain steady pressure, but no surviving texts detail the exact mechanism. Some speculate they used heated copper vessels to create steam pressure, but the evidence is inconclusive. What we do know, Greek fire destroyed 2 Arab sieges of Constantinople, and its delivery system was so feared that the formula remained a state secret for centuries. So next time you see a trebuchet, remember, range isn't everything. Sometimes, the deadliest weapon is the one that keeps burning.